E esta não frequenta a área onde nos UAF por tomar nota de um barco de bela parada em nos UAF. Nos de notícia hoje noite, não para quieto e a Baisali busca informação tocante barco aqui.
Esse aqui é barco de bela Royal Clipper, que forma parte da companhia Star Clipper, uma companhia cruzeiro grande estabelecida na Europa. E segundo o oficial de nacionalidade russa, dando-nos vista amplo da história de tal ship aqui.
She was built in the 2000, actually 15 years ago. It's, let's say, quite young. She's a lady, she's quite young, let's say, and very good shape. And she was built in, start like in Poland, in Gdańsk, and then was finished in Rotterdam, so in Holland.
Fora de onde o barco grande bela mais grande no mundo, Royal Clipper está conta com 2 rumang mais de flota de companhia madre. Está óbvio com sailing vessel maneira Saki, nang itinerário porta diferente com outra linha de cruzeiro.
Normally from let's say October till April we are in the Caribbean area around Barbados, so with Leeward and Windward Islands, but sometimes we come here, but normally we just operating around Barbados. So and then very soon in a few weeks we're gonna to go for a crossing, go to Europe, and our second season we start in the Mediterranean Sea.
É evidente que a companhia madre Star Clipper está por de atrair grupo específico de turista.
Actually, it's a group like a little bit different from the normal passenger vessel because first of all we are sailing vessel. So the most people come to see the real sailing ship, how it works, how we're handling with the sails. Because we're trying as much as possible to sailing. We're trying to don't use the engine only if it is necessary. So when we have to follow our schedule. So that's the main idea. They came to see how it works with a real sailing ship.
O barco aqui está conta com tripulação de mais ou menos 100 gente e é para acomodar 260 passageiros e não tem um motivo especial para escolher Aruba como destinação.
So actually it's a quite nice place, first of all this area. Yesterday we were in Curaçao, today Aruba, tomorrow we go into Bonaire. It's a real nice place to be, so it's like a little bit different from our usual itinerary, so it's like a additional. No, Royal Clipper have been before here a couple of times, but I think not too many, just a few, but it's not the first time. So.
And it won't be the last?
Sure, it won't be the last. We hope we come back again, because it's a really nice place here.
Amita Patrick Pascal, pa ATV, Canal 5.